So guys, how does the storyline end? So the storyline is going to end as the same way you established it. So what are you going to be looking for? You're going to be looking for a fake break. We're going to be looking for a next candle, then a fake breakout structure. So let me just show you an example with this one. So you can see that right here, we had the next candle. Here we had the next candle. Here we had the next candle. Here we had the next candle. So what are you going to be looking for? Something like this. So this one is supposed to be bullish just like this. Here, we are going to be looking for sells. So this one is going to be a bearish storyline, just like this right here. You would be looking for sells, but as you can see here, the market shot to the upside. It gave us a break and retest, then it started buying. But now looking at this would have been a bearish storyline. So it'd be looking for sells right here. You can see that we had this next candle that is just right here. The first one right here at this point. So you have the fake breakout structure. Then now we are in a what? We are in a bullish storyline, but it's not yet confirmed. Remember, keep breakout structure, confirm storyline. Then you're going to be looking for buys, going to be looking for your buys. Then right here, we can see that here, once we see this next candle, we see a fake breakout structure. This bullish storyline has now ended. We are now in a bearish storyline. So until we see another breakout structure just like this one right here, next candle at the weekly, breakout structure at the 4-hour time frame, then we are now in a what? Bullish storyline. So once one storyline ends, the other one starts. But sometimes there will be a point like this, a gray point just like this one right here. We see that right here, we had a what? A next candle. We had a breakout structure somewhere right here. We had a breakout structure, this fake breakout structure. So telling us that we're now in a bearish storyline. But if we are in a bearish storyline, the market should not take out this high right here. The market should not take out it. It can take out this high, but we would be looking for sales. So as you can see, this is just a gray point right here because the market does not give us a clear storyline. After it takes out this high, we are now in a gray point right here. We don't know what the market is going, what the market is doing. We don't know the storyline that is being created at the weekly time frame. You can see the weekly time frame only. Then from there now, once we see this breakout structure, we are now in a bullish storyline. So if you see that, okay, right here, there's something like this right here. The storyline is not clear. The market just started to buy out of nowhere. The storyline is not clear. There's nothing wrong with that. The market is always going to do that. And if you understand the liquidity cycle, you know what's happening right here. You know what's happening right here. Right here, as you can see, buy reactions. But now from here now you don't have anything, so you have nothing to do until the market has reached this point right here, rejecting after rejecting this point. So as you can see, so from here, the first week here, the second week right here, you would be waiting, not doing anything, unless maybe if you play the daily time frame storyline. If you play the daily time frame storyline, then that's when you can even start looking for other opportunities. But from there, looking at this, you would be at the gray area right here, not doing anything, which means that the big banks don't want you to actually be at a point where we capitalize on any of the moves, because we know that they're the ones that are going to be moving the market. But sometimes you see that here, they just move the market without even giving us without even giving us an opportunity. The main thing that you should understand when it comes to trading, it doesn't matter how smart you are. You don't even have to know what is going on in the market to make money. It's simple as that. You don't even have to know what is going on in the market, because I cannot tell you why did the market sell from here. There was no collapse. You see that here, this SNR level here was tapped, but I cannot tell you. If I go to maybe the monthly time frame, there's nothing in the monthly time frame. If I go to the daily time frame, unless if I can look at the daily time frame. So even on the daily time frame, there's nothing that I can tell you. Why did the market even start selling? Based on what? Based on on SNR. But once you look at another concept like algo trading, you'd identify that this is transactional liquidity, this is endorsement liquidity, selling from that high, going to the downside. So it doesn't matter how much knowledge we have, the market is going to make a move that you don't even know and you cannot even explain. So there are some of the moves that, okay, if you're going to be looking at SNR, don't stress about it. So if you see something like this, wait until you see something that you know, you see the confluences that you know and that you understand. Then after that, that's when you're going to even start looking for an opportunity. So the market is always going to give you some gray areas. Don't stress about them. Go to a higher time frame, go to a lower time frame, or just forget that pair for that week or for that month until you see something that you understand. Then after that, that's when you can even start taking your trades and so forth. I guess it's simple. That's the simplest analogy that I can use right now.